Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to explore an interesting topic that connects language learning and modern technology. First of all, let me introduce myself. I am Ivan Aurelio. My student ID number is 237009 and I am from Pegeri University, Jombang. This presentation is part of the Speaking for Academic Setting course assignments. The title of my presentation is The Effectiveness of Duolingo as Technology-Based Instructional Media in Learning English Speaking. My main purpose today is to explain the research findings about how effective Duolingo is as a digital tool to support students in improving their English speaking skill. There are five main structures in this poster. The first is introduction, second is methods, results, conclusion, and reference. So, in today's teach-driven world, the way we learn English has evolved a lot. One popular app that supports this is a Duolingo. It's a gamified learning platform which makes studying feel more fun and less boring. Duolingo helps learners practice listening, speaking, grammar, and vocabulary. This study focuses on how effective Duolingo is when used as a learning tool, especially for improving senior high school students' speaking skills, including fluency, accuracy, pronunciations, and also vocabulary. This day, learning doesn't have to happen just in the classroom. With mobile learning, students can access English lessons anytime and anywhere, as long as they have a phone or tablet. These kinds of flexibility really help, especially for students who want to keep learning outside of school hours or during their free times. One of Duolingo's strengths is its interactive feature. First, it's over listening practice through audio-based questions. Then, there's speaking practice, where students are asked to pronounce sentences out loud, great for improving pronunciations. It also has a grammar exercise where learners build sentences like a puzzle. And for vocabulary, there are matching games with images or definitions. So, overall, it covers many key areas of English learning in an engaging way. In this research, the participants were 25 11th grade students from a public senior high school located in Jombang, East Java. The study used a pre-experimental design, meaning there was only one group of students. And they were tested before and after using Duolingo to see if there were any improvement. For data collections, the researcher used parrot dialogue speaking test. So students were paired up and test on how well they would speak. Following the framework by Brown 2001, the students were assessed based on four key aspects of speaking. The first is fluency, accuracy, pronunciation, and also vocabulary. As for the data analysis, the researchers used the Wilson Science Rank Test with SPSS software to compare students' score before and after the treatment. This helped determine whether there was a significant improvement in their speaking skill. Let's start with the overall results. From 25 students who took part in the study, 22 of them showed an increase in their speaking score after using Duolingo. Only 2 students had a decrease in score, and student score remained the same. The statistical analysis using the Wilson Science Rank test show a significant values of 0.00, which is less than 0.05. This means Duolingo had a statistically significant effect and clearly helps improve the student overall speaking abilities, especially in fluency. Now, when we look specifically at speaking accuracy, the results were also very positive. The significant values here was 0.012, which is again less than 0.05, indicating a meaningful improvement. So, we can say that Duolingo did not just help students speak more fluently, but also made their grammar and word usage more accurate. Most students showed improvement in this area, although there were still a few who did not show much change. In terms of pronunciations, the improvement was also statistically significant with a p-value of 0.005. That means students become better at producing clearer and more accurate speech sound after using the app. And for vocabulary, the results were also strong. The significant values again was 0.000, showing that student ability to use a wider range of words improved noticeably. Overall, the findings show that Duolingo was highly effective in improving not just one but multiple aspects of student English speaking skill. So, based on the findings, it's clear that Duolingo was effective in improving student English speaking skills, especially in four main areas. First is fluency, accuracy, pronunciation, and also vocabulary. Most students showed significant progress after using the app, and this was confirmed through the Wilcox Signing Rank test. All the statistical results were significant, meaning that the improvements were not just random, they were meaningful. What also stands out is how the interactive and game-based format of Duolingo helped increase students' motivations and also confidence to speak in English. So, it was not just about drilling exercise. The students were actually enjoying the learning process. Now, why is Duolingo so suitable as an instructional tool? First, it allows for self-paced learning, so students can learn at their own speed. Second, it provides constant repetition and feedback, which is crucial for mastering speaking skill. And the third is combined listening, speaking, and also vocabulary practice, all in one platform, making it very practical. This feature makes it especially useful for senior high school students who are working on improving their real-life speaking abilities. To sum it all up, Duolingo has been proven to be an effective digital learning tool for engaging students' speaking skill in English. It supports improvement in all four speaking aspects and helps students become more confident speakers. Teachers are encouraged to use it as a supplementary media, not just in class, but also to help students keep practicing outside the classroom. Based on the findings, there are few suggestions going forward. First, teacher can use Duolingo as an extra practice tool outside of regular lessons. Second, students should be encouraged to use the apps consistently and independently to get the most out of it. Third, future research can look into how Duolingo aspects other skills like reading or listening, or try it on larger and more diverse group of students. And finally, curriculum developer might want to consider integrating digital tool like Duolingo into official language learning program, especially given how well it supports the language learning process. That's all for my presentations. Thank you so much for your attention, and I hope this has given you clearer picture of how technology, especially Duolingo, can make a real impact in language learning.